Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Looking to automate your crypto buys on Binance? Here's a quick and easy step-by-step guide to get you started. First, let's choose your crypto. Open the Binance app, head to the Buy Crypto tab, and find the crypto you want to buy. Enable the recurring buy option right there. Next, select your preferred local currency. Binance supports multiple currencies, so pick the one that works best for you. Time to set up the frequency. You can choose how often you'd like to make those buys: daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Pick the frequency that suits your investment strategy. Now let's select your payment method. Binance gives you several options: credit card, debit card, or even a balance from your Binance wallet. Choose what's most convenient for you. Finally, confirm your order details. Double-check everything to ensure it's accurate. Once you're sure, hit confirm. And just like that, your recurring buy is set up. Automating your crypto buys is a smart way to stay consistent with your investments without the hassle. No more FOMO or market timing stress. Got any questions or need more tips? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips.